Hey guys, so after my workout today, I was doing some deep reflecting, just sitting in silence in a backyard. And I was just thinking about things, where I'm at now, where I was at in the past. And like no one warned me about this part of success. And I'm not talking about money, attention, none of that. I'm talking about how people treat you when you start changing. So let's take this back because I noticed this a long time ago. I noticed it first in my fitness journey when I started to be more consistent, more disciplined. I was sharing this stuff online. And my body completely changed. I used to be super skinny. I'm talking like 160. And then I noticed this again when I started to just chase all types of goals, right? Doing side hustles. Me and my wife started a photography business. I had a YouTube channel and I was talking about all this stuff online, just kind of sharing my journey while helping people as well. I even noticed this when I quit my 9-to-5, like things shift, like the energy shifted, the way people acted towards me shifted. And this is the part right here that can really, really mess with you. So I want to see everyone win, right? I've like all the stuff that I've put out online, I've always tried to like motivate people, encourage people. Like I want to see everyone reach their goals. Like I love seeing that and people I grew up with doing big things and succeeding at stuff. Like I love to see that stuff. It motivates me. But the thing is, and I had to learn this, I understand now, but you don't always get that same energy back. And don't expect it because you're gonna get let down. And that's the thing that can really mess with your head if you're not ready for it. Because when I thought of improving myself, leveling up in life, succeeding at stuff, succeeding at goals, chasing goals, you don't think about that stuff. This is like that internal like struggle that you have with yourself as someone who's elevated in life and you start to create your own success. And I would always see celebrities and like famous people talk about it's lonely at the top, or friends and family would treat them differently. Now obviously I'm not famous or anything like that, but it's relatable. It's the same thing that like regular normal people can go through. And I have something here that I wrote down because it makes sense and it resonated with me, and that's growth creates space. And not everyone wants to step into that space with you. And I don't think that makes a person bad. I don't think people are wrong for that or thinking like that. And honestly, I've always felt like and thought that people don't owe you support. Like even if it's family or friends, like no one owes you anything in life. But I think it's just understanding that when you shift, when you make a big shift in your life, the things around you will shift as well, the energy, people, and it's just understanding that. And there was a time where I didn't understand that. And I would think, remember thinking to myself like, I notice people do certain things or say things or treat me a certain way. And I was confused. I'm like, why would they say that or treat me this way? I just didn't get it at the time. But as you age and as you continue to grow, you just become more aware of things and you start to see patterns and you just start to understand better just how people are, like how people think and things like that. And I'm not trying to like scare anyone with this video or make you worried. It's just I want you to understand on the opposite end, because growth can be great, but there's another side of it that you will experience in just helping you understand that. Success is great. It's momentum. It's a good feeling, right? You feel more fulfilled. You may feel more purpose in whatever you're doing, but also understanding that growth season, sometimes we don't understand that season can also feel quiet. It can feel isolated because of what I'm talking about in this video. But it doesn't mean you're doing something wrong. It's just part of the journey. It's just something that you have to understand that you're going to experience when you start to change yourself. Just wanted to share that, guys. Just something that was on my mind. Hopefully you took something away from it. Thanks for watching. I'll see y'all in my next video. Peace.